Good morning, nurse. Jesus! You chop shit! Abi rather inside your mouth? No, I just brush my teeth. With wetting, cement, your mouth na chemical weapon. I want to see the doctor. Why? So that you can take his breath away too. Your mouth odor should be considered a natural disaster. God is burning my eyes. Such an odor is not even meant to exist. I feel past your mouth go the pit of hell. I dey come make I go call doctor. But try chew gum or something before I come back. Even if na air freshener, chew before you kill us. Doctor, this na baddie when get bad breath.
How long has this been happening?
It started about 6 months ago. I brush twice a day, chew gum, and use mouthwash, but nothing seems to help. Girl, you are literally taking our breaths away.
Persistent bad breath, also called halitosis. Common causes include poor oral hygiene, bacteria on the tongue, gum disease, tooth decay, dry mouth, smoking, and certain foods. In some cases, ongoing bad breath may also be linked to other medical conditions.
Bad breath is common, but persistent halitosis shouldn't be ignored. With proper dental care and treatment of the underlying cause, most people can get rid of it.
Oh, please can we continue in silence? You must not answer all the questions now. This your mouth odor need him own toilet.
But doctor, I brush every day.
I can see plaque buildup around your teeth and coating on your tongue. These bacteria produce foul-smelling compounds that cause the odor.
Try the chop toothpaste. Or use knife they scrape your tongue. Your breath be like pepper spray. I know even sure say bacteria fit survive inside your mouth. No wonder people keep avoiding me. If I were you, I will advise you to avoid you too. Or at least try to use holy water brush. And if you are ever in danger, all you have to do is open your mouth and you will be free.
Here's what I recommend. Brush your teeth twice a day using fluoride toothpaste. Clean your tongue every day with a tongue scraper or toothbrush. Floss daily to remove food particles between your teeth. Drink plenty of water to avoid dry mouth. Visit a dentist regularly for professional cleaning.
Doctor, please stop asking her more questions now. Or do you want to die? Take. Use this one brush. Make sure you scrub your esophagus and intestines too, because this smell is coming from the depth of your soul.